Hello and welcome back to the tutorial series on using the Naoca platform. This video will take you through creating a live stream. So to start with, we'll need to create a client. You'll see these red asterisks that denote the mandatory fields. All of the other ones are optional. So for this, all we need to do is enter a first name and a last name. But you can choose to enter a date of birth and a date of death. The enable profile toggle is automatically enabled. This is what allows our platform to push a tribute onto your website. But if for some reason you don't want this particular client to go onto your website, you can deselect it. But I'll leave that on for now and save. Always remember to save when you have finished entering the details. So we'll go through these menu items in order, starting at event. So if you want to prevent the general public from watching a stream, if the family would rather it only be available to its intended audience, you can leave it as a private event. This will mean that a viewer has to enter the PIN code to be able to watch it. Most people, I find, prefer to set it as public. This just makes things a little simpler, and most people are happy for the general public to watch the service. So I'll click save. Now we'll create a live stream. Give it a title and select a channel. Let's say, for example, this service will be streamed by a professional streamer. We'll set the start and end date and the time. We'll have it from 12 till 12:30. And I'll click save. Now, in the recordings tab, you can upload, for example, a pre-recorded eulogy or the tribute slideshow. The recordings tab is also useful for if you're doing a service from a venue that doesn't have a good internet connection. You can simply record the service and upload it here. So give it, maybe this is the burial service. Now I'll upload it. Click save, wait for it to upload. This is just a very short video, so your actual service may take a little longer to upload than that. You can see it's now ready to be watched. Here you can see all of the comments that people have left on your service. There are none here yet. And we'll create an invitation. This invitation, this will automatically create an email with a link to watch the service and the PIN code if one is required. So I'll enter an email address in there. And generally what I find people like to do is the funeral director will enter their own email address in there and forward it to their point of contact in the family, who can then forward it on to anybody who needs to receive the invitation. If you have set it up to automatically send new invitations, this will show the time that it was sent. If not, you can go here and click send when you're ready. Now, the rest of these options are all to do with the information that's sent to your website in the tribute. So let's say that I'm very organized. I've done this many times before and I know exactly what I need to upload for my profile. So I've got it all in a folder here and I'll just upload it all at once to the media tab. All right, so we have it here. If you'd like to make the profile featured, this will make the card a little bit bigger and appear at the top of the list. This is just a demonstration page on the Naoca website. Of course, you can format it a lot nicer than this, but this will hopefully give you an idea about how it works. So this one, I won't make it featured. If you need to take it off the website temporarily or permanently, you can deselect that one. I'll save that. I might upload an obituary. Let's say I've already uploaded it here and this is my obituary. Or if you wish to just type it out, you can do so here. You can also upload a photo gallery by selecting the images that you already have here, or select all and adding them to the gallery. Now, information about the service venue can be useful for the people who are attending in person, and they can get all this information from your website. So let's select a service type. These have already been entered, but if you need to enter a new one, you can do so here. And once you've saved this church service, for example, will be available in the drop down here in the future. We can select a venue, select one that's already been used, or add a new venue. And the address. You can also enter the start time and the end time. Let's say, oh, that's a strange time to hold a service. Let's say 11 AM. Till 11:45 on the 21st. So I'll click save. I can also upload stationery, for example, an order of service. So I've already got one here, the document type. I can browse media and upload something that I've already selected, or I can upload it from my computer. Let's say this is my order of service. And there we go. I might also upload a press notice. Choose a publication name, maybe it's a new one. And the date. I'll upload my press notice, and there it is. So, actually, you can also set a profile picture by going to media, and let's say this is their profile picture. Once you've created your client, you can go back to your live streaming page, and you may need to refresh it, but you'll find the client that we've just created. So here we're starting on the live streams tab. This is the playlist, which will have the recording that we uploaded and the stream that's coming up. This is where people will be able to add a comment. Here they can see the obituary and download it if they want to, the press notice, the service venue, and the stationery that we uploaded. Now, you know what? I didn't follow my own advice. I did not save the gallery. Okay, so let's do that again. Add to gallery, and remember to click save. So that's saved now. I should be able to refresh this. Okay, yep, now we can see there is a photo gallery here. They can click through and see the photos. All right, thank you for watching this tutorial video. As always, if you do have any questions, please feel free to get in touch because we are always happy to help out.